Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm just unboxing the Influenster most reviewed, top rated, best in beauty, the Reviewer's Choice winners for 2018. It says what makes Influencer's beauty awards unique is that they're truly by the people for the people. 6 million beauty reviews in the past year determined the Reviewer's Choice winners, and we can't wait to share them with all of you. This box was sent to me by Influenster. I didn't have to film a video for it. I think they just wanted something on Instagram, which I'll obviously do, and they want you to share your favorite products from this box. So I may like some of them, I may not. I think everybody gets all the same stuff though, obviously, because they are the winners of the year. I'm not sure if this will be a yearly thing. I'm not sure if this box this size will be a yearly thing, and then maybe they might revert to do smaller boxes throughout the year. This is the front, and this is the size. This is all you're getting. 50 bucks, and there is a whole box of things and coupons and things going out, and the retail I believe is $300. So I'm going to go through all of it with you. I'll be very quick about it. There is a lot to see in here, and then all of the information and links below will be good for purchasing. It seems to me like there is a cash back type of program for EBATES that's similar to EBATES, excuse me, so that like if you refer people you get cash back, or maybe you save money. It's similar to EBATES. When I read through it, it appeared to be the structure of like EBATES. So we will just get into it. These coupons fell out. This is not a coupon. This is basically information for Unique. So there must be something from Unique in here. There's a coupon for Garnier Olia. I probably said it wrong. Here we go. First bag. There is a small sample of Good Genes from Sunday Riley, and it's the lactic acid treatment. Sorry, we're in front of a lot of light here, but it's a smaller sample size. This is the EOS Shave Cream and Moisturizer. I've never used that, but I am excited to try that. I have sensitive skin when it comes to shaving. I actually prefer to just, like in the summer, I'll get waxed because it's a situation. The Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. This is clearly full size. I wonder if they have retails. They send like a thing. The Good Gene says it was $26. I don't have any idea. I know that Sunday Riley is expensive, so I imagine this little one probably could potentially be a $26 sample. The EOS, I can't find it on here, man. Oh, there it is. It says travel size shave cream. It doesn't say how much the retail would be on this, but if this is travel size, I thought that was full size, so that's pretty good. Doesn't have the price there either for this, but I've used this before and it appears to be full size to me also. This is a Moonstruck mascara from Unique. Don't come at me, Unique people, but this mascara does not work for me. If this is that extension thing, it says epic. Yeah, it just says out of 2.9 thousand plus reviews, it has 4.43 stars out of 5, which is really good. I just know when I tried the Unique mascara, which was like the fiber extending one, it did absolutely nothing for me. My current favorite mascara is a Cosmetic Superhero. I am not wearing it today, but that is the one that gives me the extensions that I expected from Unique. I'm sitting here making 2 piles because I always do an epic giveaway at the end of the year, and it might end up being 2 giveaways because I didn't do it when I wanted to do it because there's been a lot going on, which I explained in another video, which I don't even think I could post for like a month because some stuff needs to clear. Look out for giveaways coming soon. Next, we have another bag. Inside is the Hawaiian Detox Warming Mud Mask. So you get a packet of that. You get a Garnier Color Vibrancy hair mask and apple cider vinegar scalp scrub. Ooh, that sounds cool. I've never heard of that, but it like exfoliates your scalp. I'm into that. You get a full-size can of Tresemme hairspray, extra firm control. This big can right here, this extra size humongous can, might get us through half of a cheerleading season. Maybe. You get a full-size Batiste dry shampoo. This is my favorite from the drugstore. My favorite high-end would be from Amika, but this is pretty much, it does the exact same thing. I prefer the Amika because I love the scent of it. This is the one I buy the most because it is obviously more affordable and I go through it a lot more quickly. And I'm not sure if you're getting different fragrances throughout this. Like mine says vibrant and fruity neon. I'm not sure if everybody gets vibrant and fruity neon. That's something that we'll probably see if anybody else decides to do any unboxings. You get a deluxe mini of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I used to use this all the time. And then one Christmas, I saw all these pictures and the flashback was intense. So I had to edit every photo to get my flashback out. You get the size. This is this little deluxe size, which, I mean, to be honest, this will get you through a lot. And then there's a little puff that, I mean, clearly I love because I threw it. But I will use that because I did like that it sucked up all my oils. And I guess if I'm not going to take photos of myself and I am going to have a long day, it'd be good to have. Next is the Coola Classic Sunscreen Moisturizer. This also appears to be a full size. I have heard of Coola before. They do make products that I like. I don't use this one. I'm a little bit more bougie with my face sunscreen since I break out so quickly. This would probably be fine though. It's organic skincare. It actually says organic sun care. So this will probably be something I'll put away and try when I am out of my one that I'm using now. The one I use now is from Drunk Elephant and it's pricey and I like it. But if I can find something that is a little more or less expensive, like this is $32 and I think the Drunk Elephant runs in the $50s. So this would be less expensive. And if I like it, that would make it worth it for me. Ah, my fave. This is the Origins Ginseng Eye Cream. I live, breathe, and die for this. This is a full size and it couldn't have come at a more perfect time. This is the full jar. Mine is basically nearing empty. That's not going in the giveaway. Here's another big bag. I kind of like that they separated everything. So like if something would happen to leak, at least it's not all getting destroyed. This is Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I do not have dry skin, but I know quite a few people that do. So that can be passed on or put in the giveaway. Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. We use this like crazy for my daughter in the summer and sometimes even in the winter. The NYX Matte Finish Fini Matte Setting Spray. As much as I like matte skin and I love the idea of a setting spray, none of them ever work decently for me. The Urban Decay D-Slick, I like to spray on sometimes before I do makeup in the summer, and that seems to make a little bit of a difference. So this might be an interesting try to see if it is something that can compare. A really tiny bottle of the Origins Ginseng Eye Cream to brighten and depuff, which is fine. We will save that for travel. Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub and Coconut Lime. I bet this smells amazing. Like, yeah, I'll keep it because I want to smell it. It smells good. It smells like the beach. I miss the beach. The final thing in that bag was Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer. Gradually creates flawless looking color. So this is something that I reviewed a long time ago. It is similar to a sunless tanner, but it's not intense. Like it's just a slight skin shift of color. Say you're like the outfit that I have on. If I wanted, for example, if my face makeup was a little bit darker, you could put this on your chest and kind of try to match it up a little bit better. Flawless, natural looking color without sunless tanner odor. Used daily as body lotion, sparingly on knees, elbows, and ankles because those are really dry. So it probably discolors them a little bit, like a little darker. Allow to dry and wash your hands after application. So yeah, so I get this from the drugstore. It's more of a natural tan and I haven't used it in a while. And I actually had just mentioned to my husband that I needed to get this because I missed it and it was years ago that I had it. So it says here that you'll get a surprise product from this line. So this is Love, Beauty, and Planet, and I got the coconut water mimosa flower luscious hydration, and it's a body lotion. They have other things here. It's really too small for me to read, but it looks like a bunch of different products. So everybody could potentially, the sun just went down, so lighting changed a little bit, but everybody is potentially going to be getting a different product than me. Oh, I love this stuff. Okay, so this is the Oribe Dry Texting Spray. Oh, it says on the back, it's our 10th anniversary. To celebrate, we're giving away a luxury trip for 2. Learn more and enter to win at oribe.com/anniversary. Wow, that lighting got super intense. I'm going to try and fix that. Hopefully it's a little bit better and the sun decides to like pick if it would like to be behind a cloud or not behind a cloud. But yeah, that's the Oribe. I love this. I actually have a bottle of this in there. That is Keeper. And you're probably wondering, where is all the makeup? There is makeup in here. I promise. It appeared to be at the bottom, but I swear I see it. The next is, of course, a Purity Philosophy Made Simple. It's a little bottle. This is the facial cleanser. I do not use this. I know a lot of people that do, so I would pass that along. I mean, that's the thing too. Like, you're gonna pay $50, and I think you're gonna get $50 of stuff that you're really gonna like. Definitely double at least of stuff you're gonna like, making the box worth it. However, you're gonna have to understand too that you are gonna get some things that you're gonna pass on, which I like to pass things on. I like to give things to people, so that's not a problem for me. I would spend $50 on this box so far. Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This is my favorite dry shampoo. I'm really excited. This little bottle is retailed for $10, and I'm pretty sure the Batiste full size retails for even less than that. But this smells amazing. If you have the opportunity to sniff anything from Amika, sniff it because it's good. This is a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. It doesn't say if we'll get different shades. This is Lolita. I have a small size of Lolita and I love it. It's beautiful. It is one of the shades from her that does stay on me throughout the day. So that for me would be a good one to get in here. There are some shades that she has in her line that do not stay on me for any reason whatsoever. They just don't. But this one is a good one. If everyone gets Lolita, I mean, that right there is 20 some bucks. That would be half of what you would pay. Okay, and this is like the makeup. It seems like it's a lot of hair care. So, but this thing is Becca, and it's clearly a tiny one. The Vanilla Quartz Shimmering Highlighter. So that is what that looks like. Very light. I don't know if I want to swatch it because I might just want to give it to someone. It seems like there's a lot of shimmer in it too, and that's probably not going to work for me. The Champagne Pop was actually my absolute favorite from them, and I know it's not really affiliated with Jackson Hill anymore. I think they still have it. You also get another highlighter, which actually looks like the peachier version of that, but this is from Wet n Wild, and it's called Precious Petals. This sheet just says that you get a Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. It doesn't say what shade, so again, I'm not sure if everybody's getting the same colors, but potentially you may be if that was the popular color. From ColourPop, there is a Super Shock eyeshadow. I got the shade Lightning Bug. This is a really pretty copper color, and that's what that looks like. Again, I'm not going to swatch it. I have a lot of shades similar to that. If I didn't, I would absolutely keep it, but I hate to keep a shade that's in a single packet like this when I know that I'm probably not going to use it because I already have it in a palette that I'm already reaching for. And last but certainly not least, we have from CoverGirl the True Naked Chocoholic Eyeshadow Palette. I don't think I own this. I will keep that. And I was trying, I wanted to do, oh, that's a khaki. There's a khaki in there. I am happy. I wanted to do a full face of CoverGirl since they just went cruelty free. I love that CoverGirl has gone cruelty free. I think that's amazing. I love how innovative they are. They always seem like they're the first to do something. So I wanted to try and do a full face of CoverGirl, and I think I have enough stuff at this point to do that. That is all that was in this box. There was so much stuff in there for 50 bucks. Like, that is impressive. I do BoxyCharm unboxings, and you get a lot of cool stuff for $21 a month. All this stuff for 50 bucks a month, you are like set on your toiletries and your makeup, and I'm impressed with it. I'm super impressed with it. And they did send this to me, but they didn't pay me to make it. I don't even know about that link if I get any kind of affiliate or referral thing for it. I mean, if I do, I mark it and let you know. This is cool. I think this is great. And if you are somebody that is into getting this stuff, trying new things, or you need to send someone a gift, this would be an excellent idea. Thank you guys so much for stopping back. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part is. I will talk to you soon. Bye.